In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your Ring Stick Up camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, and what are some ideas that you can do. So the first thing that you want to try is that you want to try to factory reset, and to do that you have to unscroll or get rid of the bottom part, and there where you're going to have the battery, and there you're going to have reset button. So try to hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds and it's going to reset for you. So press and hold, and this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing is that try to just like reset your cell phone. I know it sounds strange, but try it out and maybe it's going to get connected. This is another thing that you can try. The next thing that you can try is also disconnect any devices connected to the router through the Ethernet. Let's say PS4, PS5 connected to the router. So this is also another thing that you can try. Maybe it's going to work out. And the last thing that you can try, use a fixed channel number 1, 6 or 11. No other channel is valid. And just disable band steering on your regular access point. Now, maybe if you're completely not tech savvy and you don't know how to use tech, just Google how to disable band steering in your router. Let's say you have AT&T, T-Mobile, Telecom, I don't know. Just disable band steering your router, or like the company. And then you're just gonna find some guy there on the internet, on Google, and just try to do that. And this will stop the access point kicking only devices off, and maybe some of this is going to actually help you fix the issue. I hope it does, because I just really like to research the things for you on how you can fix the issues that you have. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.